In this video, I'll be showing you how to find dy over dx given that y is equal to a to the power 4x. Now, how do we solve this? Now, the first thing to notice here is that x in this case is a power, as you can see here, and it's attached to 4, so you have 4x. So in a case like this, how do we find dy over dx? Your first task would be to take ln of both sides, right? Ln, we said, is similar to log, so I'll take ln y. So I would say take log y, same thing. So take ln y and then ln a to the power 4x, right? So take ln of both sides, you have this. Or you can say take log of both sides, you have this. Now when you do this, don't forget that from the laws of logarithm, right? From the laws of logarithm, when you take log of a particular number raised to a power, the power comes down here to become something that looks like b log a. Right, this is a law of logarithm. So in that case, we are saying that if I take log of a, the power, which is 4x, comes down this way. So I'll be having 4x, then I'll have ln of a. So we have this. So in this question here, or at this point, we'd have to differentiate this. For the left hand side, we have this ln y. I'll differentiate ln y using the concept of implicit differentiation. And then for the right hand side of the equation, you have this. You differentiate this using the concept of product rule. Now it's product rule because this one here is multiplying ln a, right? So 4x is multiplying ln a, okay? Now having said that, let's differentiate. Using implicit differentiation, of course, we've already discussed implicit differentiation in our previous class. So I will leave a link to our class on implicit differentiation in the video description, right? So check the description. You see a link to implicit differentiation. Now, how do we solve this? Now, recall that if y is equal to ln x, we'll have that dy dx is equal to 1 over x. So if I differentiate ln x, I will have 1 over x. Same thing happens here. If I differentiate ln y, I will have 1 over y. And for implicit differentiation, we said whenever you differentiate a y term, you add dy dx. So you have this is equal to, that's for the left hand side. For the right hand side, you have that 4x is multiplying ln a. So since they are multiplying, it becomes a product rule question. So let's take these terms one after the other. We'll call this one here u. So we say let u be equal to 4x. Let's get du dx. Du dx means I'll differentiate 4x, and if you differentiate 4x, you get 4. Also, let v be equal to the next term there, which is ln a. So v is equal to ln a. Let's get dv dx. Now to get dv dx, it simply means differentiate ln a with respect to x. Now you want to think that if I differentiate ln a, I'll get 1 over a, but that would be incorrect because I'm differentiating dv dx. That means I'm differentiating ln a with respect to x, but then there's no x here. Right, if you look at it, this is just ln a, there's no x. So hence, if I differentiate ln a with respect to x, it gives you 0. Now, since there's no x here, it is considered a constant. So it becomes 0 because if you differentiate a constant, you get 0. Alright, let's use the product rule formula. Product rule formula, recall that it's v du over dx plus u dv over dx. Let's put in values. Let's start with v. V is ln a, so it becomes ln a. This is v into du dx, which is this one here. Du dx is 4 plus u. Consider u is 4x here, so u is 4x into dv dx. Dv dx is this one here, which is actually 0, so into 0. All right, so you have this after using product rule. So see the way I solve this. For the left hand side, we use implicit. For the right hand side, we use product rule. Let's work on this. This becomes 1 over y dy over dx. It's equal to ln a times 4 gives you 4 ln a plus 4x times 0 gives you 0. Proceeding, I have 1 over y dy all over dx. It's equal to, this gives you 4 ln a. Of course, plus 0 is itself. All right, so at this point, how do I solve this? I want to get dy over dx here. All I have to do is simply multiply. So multiply both sides by y. So it becomes y times 1 over y dy dx. It's equal to y times 4 ln a. If I multiply this, y cancels y, it's off. You have that dy over dx, it's equal to y times 4 gives you 4y ln a. So you have this. Your final task is to bring back the value of y. So you say but y is equal to, if I go back to my question, they give us y as a to the power 4x. So but y is equal to a to the power 4x. So what does this mean? This means that dy over dx is equal to, you had 4y, that becomes 4 into y is a to the power 4x, that's 4y, then you have ln a. It becomes this ln a. If I remove the brackets here, this becomes 4 a to the power 4x, then I have ln a. So this is the value, or this is the answer. Okay, right, so that's the answer. Let me give you a task. So let's say, what if you had y as being equal to, let's say, a to the power 2x. For this, what would be your answer? All right, so pause this video, solve this question, and leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, all right then, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. All right, so smash the like button, leave a comment. For your comment, tell us the answer, tell us the value of dy over dx if y is equal to a to the power x. If it's your first time here, or if you're here to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to this channel, right, so that you get, and of course hit the bell icon. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new content. And finally, please share this video to your friends so that they can also learn. Thank you, and see you in the next class.